friend Mr. Penguin looks a bit sad and really hot. Do you want to go home, Mr. Penguin? You live in Antarctica? I bet it's really cold there. Leo's gonna take you home, Mr. Penguin. Let's go on an Arctic adventure. I don't see any penguins anywhere. No worries, Leo. It's Dr. Panda Toto time. We'll help you find Mr. Penguin's family. Can you help Leo find Mr. Penguin's family? Awesome! Okay, if we can't see Mr. Penguin's family, maybe we can hear them. Let's start listening. Oh, does that sound like penguin? Nope, those are Arctic terns, not penguins. Noise! Do you think that could be Mr. Penguin's family? Uh-oh, that's not a penguin, that's a whale! Phew! Maybe you should try looking for Mr. Penguin's family on land now, Leo. Does that sound like a penguin? Leo, where are you going? Mr. Penguin says it's not his family. Uh-oh! Watch out for that water! It's freezing cold! Phew, that was close. Looks like that tickles, Leo. We still haven't found Mr. Penguin's family. What's that? Could that be the sound of Mr. Penguin's family? Aw, that noise was Mr. Penguin's family. He's really happy to be home. Good job, Leo. Uh-oh, are you starting to feel cold, Leo? Wow, Leo, that's a warm welcome. Have fun hanging out with Mr. Penguin's family. Hi there. Stick around for more Toto Time episodes and be sure to subscribe to our channel.